Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing great. So today we're going to be making this cute bikini slash bra top using some stretchy African print fabric. So first you're going to take out one of your bras that fits you well, and then you measure your cup size. I measured mine and I got 8 by 8 inches, so I made little square fabrics, two of them, which were 8 by 8 inches. And I also cut black ones which were the same size for the lining. So what you now do is to fold it like a little triangle, then fold it again, and then you now go on to that edge which you fold it again, and then you cut. So this is basically how I got the shape. Then I also did the same thing for the other piece and for the other black ones for the lining as well. Then I went on to that edge that I had cut, and then I put a pin there. This is where I am going to sew. I did the same thing for the lining pieces as well.
Charming to me, I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer, pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
So after stitching, when you open it up, it will form a shape like a triangle like that. Then I went on to pin on all the sides except for the side which is facing down. Then I took two elastic pieces which I put on top of the little corner. Then I went on to stitch as I'm indicating. After stitching, I turned the little triangles inside out. Then I went back to my bra and then I measured now the circumference, and I got about 29 inches, which I just rounded off to about 30 inches. And the width was 4 inches. And then I placed the little triangles on top of the band. I marked where it was going to be. And then I took my fastener. This is just basically from like an old bra. And then I placed it on the ends. I attached the fasteners on the ends. And then I pinned it right to the point where I was going to insert the two front pieces. This is where I stitched, leaving that part in the middle open. After stitching, I turned everything inside out. And it looked like that. And I made sure that the fasteners were on the right sides. And then I attached the two triangular front pieces. So I would insert them inside the band and then use pins to hold it down. Then I did a little tucking stitch before I went on to sew this on the sewing machine. So after sewing on the sewing machine, I was almost done, and the last thing now was to attach the straps. So for the straps, you can just measure yourself and attach the ones that will fit you, or you can make adjustable ones. So to make my straps, I measured 2" by 18" strips of fabric, 2 of them. Then I would fold the edges inside and just do a tacking stitch. So there I had already finished tacking. Then I went on to sew it on the sewing machine using a zigzag stitch. So when my strips were done, I now inserted the loops and the hooks because I wanted the strips to be adjustable. If you don't have these, you can just go on and measure yourself and then attach them straight away. And then I went on to attach the straps onto the rest of the bra or bikini top. And that is all for this video, you guys. It's quite simple. It just takes a little bit of time. So let me know if I should also do a video where I use like cotton material instead of this stretchy fabric. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.